Hey guys, so today I want to share 4 quick and easy low messy buns. These would be super cute with baseball caps or those cute little hats that all the fashion bloggers wear. So first up, for my first bun, you just want to take your hair and act like you're going to do it in a ponytail. And then you want to do a little bun like I'm doing here. Then take the rest of the hair that's hanging out and then just tuck it into the hair tie. And tuck all of it into the hair tie, don't leave any out, and then just kind of pull it out, stretch it out. It's okay if it's messy because that's the purpose of this video, for messy buns. So then I'm just kind of securing it with some bobby pins all around. Make sure you secure the top so it's not hanging out like you saw. And then I'm gonna take my fingers and just kind of pull on the top of my hair to give it that more textured, messy look. And then, oh, excuse me, that is bun number 1. Okay, bun number 2. So we're going to take the same steps as bun number 1. We're going to create a little bun, leave some hair out, and then I'm twisting towards my face the rest of the hair that's hanging out. And then I'm going to wrap it around the bun. And then once I get towards the bottom, I'm going to take the hair that's sticking out and just tuck it into the hair tie. Then I'm going to kind of stretch my hair out, fluff it out all around. So when you stretch it out and just kind of fluff it out, it gives it more of like a disheveled look. So then I'm just going to kind of twist it. So I'm just kind of turning it with my hand, and it gives it, you know, even more of a messier look, which I really like. So you just kind of have to play around with it. And then as always, I'm going on the top of my head and just kind of pulling that hair out for a more textured, messy look. And I didn't use any bobby pins, but definitely feel free to. But this is what my bun ended up looking like. I thought it was so cute. I think this might have been my favorite one. So keep in mind too, I do have a ton of layers, so my buns are going to be extra messy. Bun number 3. So this is probably like the easiest bun, but you just are going to take your hair and basically just twist it around itself to create this cute little bun. I feel like everyone does this bun, but I wanted to include it because it's like, I don't know, the bun OG. So I'm just doing that, taking a hair tie and wrapping it around it, and then just kind of fluffing it out. And then pulling on the top of the head again for a more textured look. And then this is last but not least, bun number 4. So I already did my hair in a ponytail, and then I'm going to divide it into 2 equal sections. I'm going to take one of the sections and then divide it into 2 strands and just twist those strands over each other for a little twisted braid. And then you're just going to take that twist and then wrap it around the base of the bun. Make sure you secure this very well. And I wasn't able to twist all the way down because my hair, like I said, I have lots of layers. But then you just want to do the same thing on the other side. So just twist it like I'm doing here. Again, you can see how much hair I had left sticking out because of my uneven layers, but it's fine. So just take that one and then also wrap it around the base of the bun. Make sure you bobby pin everything. And then you're going to take your fingers and basically just kind of pull out all those twists that you just created and just kind of fluff everything out. Once you're done kind of fluffing it, pancaking it, stretching it out, then just kind of bobby pin it again to make sure everything is nice and secure. And then I'm going to pull on the top of my head, and then this is what I got. You can see my layers sticking out. I got a haircut last year and she gave me layers and I wasn't too happy about it, but it's fine. We're dealing with it. We're working with it. And that's it.
That is it, you guys. Those are my 4 messy buns. I hope you liked them and found them easy. They looked super cute with ball caps if you wore them low enough, or, you know, like those cute little... Do you hear my son? This little one was making all the ruckus in there, so I guess he just wants to say bye to you guys too. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Mwah! Bye, guys. Say bye. Say bye. Oh, you're so cute.